This is the Rokid Max AR glasses. Let's jump in. Let's start off by unboxing it. So there's a user manual. And the microfiber. The glasses come in a nice protective pill-shaped carrying box. So we can see there's a Type-C cable and nose pads. These nose pads feel incredibly soft, just like suede. So I'm sure they'll be really comfortable. Let's take a look at the glasses. Start off by removing the cover. So this is basically a plastic blackout cover, which is basically used to block outside light to provide a better viewing experience. So here are the glasses. They're not really heavy at all. The arms on the glasses have spring action, so it makes it versatile. This will help make it fit on different head sizes. We can see the Rokid logo on the left arm, as well as the USB Type-C connector. Underneath the right arm, we can see the volume and brightness buttons, as well as a proximity sensor built into the right arm. There are also built-in speakers in each arm. Also on each side, there's a diopter knob, which basically adjusts each side to focus for your eyes. Since every person's eyes are different, and these settings will need to be adjusted for each person. The Rokid Max has a 50-degree optical display field of view, which is greater than some other brands which are 46 degrees or less. These AR glasses have a refresh rate of 120 Hz with a weight of 75 grams, and pack a 5000 mAh battery for 5 hours of usage. The virtual screen size is 360 inches at a distance of 10 meters, and the perceived brightness is up to 600 nits. You can also switch between 120 Hz and 60 Hz by holding down the volume up button for 4 seconds. Pressing and holding the brightness key down for 1.5 seconds will switch to the first 3D mode. By continuing to press and hold the brightness key for 4 seconds, we'll switch it to the second 3D mode. And pressing the volume down key for 1.5 seconds, we'll switch between privacy mode and clear mode. This is basically a 360-inch pocket cinema and portable Android TV. With the support of popular applications like YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and others, you can easily view your favorite content with the optional Rokid Station. The Rokid Station is the world's first Google-certified Android TV device for AR glasses. So if you purchase the Rokid Station in addition to the AR glasses, or purchase the Rokid Joy Pack, you'll be adding another level of entertainment to your AR glasses. Not only does the Rokid Max support direct screen mirroring with the iPhone 15, it works seamlessly with gaming consoles like the PS5, Xbox, Switch, and so on. Now there are many uses for the Rokid Max for each user. Some people will enjoy using it for gaming, while others will find it useful for watching movies on the go with privacy without having to worry about strangers in the public looking at their screen. I personally enjoy using it for video calls and for catching up on YouTube videos when I'm on the go. I really like the subtle look of the glasses, and the fact that they don't have some sort of crazy and wild or extravagant look to draw on wanton attention is a plus. They are nice and attractive, but not overdone. The quality of these glasses are great, and I would recommend these to anyone who is looking for AR glasses or just an overall fun and enjoyable experience. If you're interested in picking up one of these, I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.